Okay, so this is my Google Keep, which is what I chose to keep my notes on. So I have four different notebooks over here. I'm taking three summer classes, so I made each of them a tab. So art appreciation and then 270, which my theme is health and wellness, and then Spanish 3, and then I made a fourth one for just personal things like work, appointments, and family things. So here in my art appreciation folder, I saved a website of museums near me because a couple of my assignments involve me going to see museums and art exhibits. And I made a reminder because I actually have to see one this week, so I put a reminder on there for me. My health and wellness folder has a few different notes. I have a video and a website that has games and activities, and I highlighted this article because I thought it was important. It's an article about a teacher who promoted a wellness program to her administration. So I liked that. It was a good read, so I highlighted it and put a few notes on it. My personal, I just pinned a website that gives like tips and tricks for college students. And then here in my Spanish folder, I have the website for my modules. So I really like this. I will probably continue to use this because I like to be organized, and this is very helpful and I really enjoyed doing it. So thank you.